Welcome dear students in the 7th standard maths class. In the previous video we have completed practice set 34. Now in this video we will start the next topic, multiplication of algebraic expression. It is very simple topic. So firstly we will see multiplying a monomial by a monomial means single term multiply with another single term. So see here the solve example, thrice x multiplied by 12y. So firstly we collect the coefficient of both terms. It is a 3 multiplied by 12. Multiply. Now take the multiplication of variables. So variable of first term is x, multiply variable of second term is y. So 12 3s are 36 and x into y is as it is. So here multiplication operation between 36 x and y. So answer is 36xy. Very simple. See the another example, minus 12x multiplied by thrice y square. So in the multiplication we know the rule, when the one term or one number is negative and another is positive, then the multiplication answer is always has the negative sign. So it is a 12 3s are 36 and it is minus 12, so it is minus 36. And see the variables x into y square. It is as it is. Very simple. See the next, multiplying a binomial by a monomial means multiply monomial with the two terms. So while multiplying we remove the bracket. So x is multiplied to the first term of binomial, x into x, plus, because here plus sign, x multiply with the second term of binomial, so it is y, x into y. So take the multiplication here, x into x is x square. See, we know the rules of indices, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So here the power of x is 1. Here the power of x is 1. So x raised to 1 multiplied by x raised to 1 is x raised to 1 plus 1. So it is x raised to 2 means x square and x into y is xy. Very simple. See the another, multiplying a binomial by a binomial means two terms with another two terms. So see the solve example from your textbook. The horizontal arrangement is it is easy to understand. So the example is thrice x plus 4y multiply 5x plus 7y. So firstly the first term of first binomial is multiplied with the second binomial means second bracket, plus 4y means second term of first binomial is multiplied with the second whole bracket or a second binomial. Very simple. Now take the multiplication. So here we remove the first bracket. So thrice x is multiplied with all terms of bracket. So thrice x multiplied by 5x plus, because here plus sign, thrice x multiplied by 7y plus 4y multiplied by 5x plus 4y multiplied by 7y. Now take the calculation here. Thrice x multiplied by 5x. So 3 5s are 15. Take the multiplication of coefficient means numbers and add the powers of variables. So x into x is x square plus thrice x into 7y. So 3 7s are 21. X into y is xy. 4y into 5x. So 4 5s are 20. Y into x is xy plus 4y into 4y. 4 7s are 28. Y into y is y square. Now check whether any like terms are here. Yes. So middle two terms are the like terms. So 15x square as it is plus 21xy plus 20xy is 41xy plus 28y square as it is. Very simple. Let us move to the practice set 35. In that the first is multiply. So first question is 16xy into 18xy. See the solution. So firstly take the multiplication of numeral parts. So coefficient of first term is 16. Multiply coefficient of second term is 18. After that take the multiplication of variables of first term x into y. Multiply by variables of second term x into y. So 16 multiplied by 18. It is 288. Multiply by xy into xy. It is x square y square, because x into x is x square, y into y is y square. See the second. 23xy square multiplied by 4yz square. Solution is equal to, so firstly write down the multiplication of coefficients of both terms. So 23 multiplied by 4 multiplied by x into y square multiplied by y into z square. So 23 4s are 92. X as it is, y square into y is y cube, and z square as it is. Very simple. Next, third is 12a plus 17b into 4c. So the solution is, firstly 4c multiply with first term of binomial. So 4c multiply 12a plus, because here plus sign, 4c multiply to second term of binomial. So 4c multiply 17b. Very simple. Now take the multiplication of numeral parts. 12 4s are 48. A into c is ac, plus 17 4s are 68. B into c is bc. Very simple. This is the final answer because no like terms are here. See the fourth question. 4x plus 5y multiply by 9x plus 7y. See the solution is equal to, firstly the first term of first binomial is multiply with second bracket 9x plus 7y, plus now the second term of first binomial 5y into second bracket 9x plus 7y. Now take the multiplication. So 4x multiply by 9x plus 4x multiply by 7y plus 5y multiply by 9x plus 5y multiply by 7y is equal to 4x multiply by 9x. 4 9s are 36. X into x is x square, plus 4 7s are 28. X into y is xy, plus 5 9s are 45. Y into x is xy, plus 5 7s are 35. Y into y is y square. Very simple. Now check whether any like terms are here. Yes, both middle terms are like terms. So take the addition there. 36x square as it is, plus 28 plus 45, 73, and xy as it is, plus 35y square as it is, and this is the final answer. Now see the second question. A rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter long and 5x plus 3 centimeter broad. Find its area. Very simple. So firstly we will write what is given. Second, given length is equal to 8x plus 5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5x plus 3 centimeter. Now we know that how we calculate the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So put the values. What is the length? 8x plus 5 multiply by what is the breadth? Means B. 5x plus 3. Now take the multiplication. So 8x multiply with the second bracket 5x plus 3 plus 5 multiply by second bracket. Now take the multiplication. So 8x multiply 5x plus 8x multiply by 3 plus 5 multiply by 5x plus 5 multiply by 3. Now take the calculation. So 8 5s are 40, x into x is x square plus 8 3s are 24. Only one variable is present here, so x as it is, plus 5 5s are 25, x as it is, plus 5 3s are 15. Now check whether any like terms are here. Yes, middle two terms are like terms. So take the addition there. 40x square plus 24 plus 25 is 49x plus 15. And this is the final answer. So therefore, area of given rectangle is equal to 40x square plus 49x plus 15 square centimeter. And this is the last question of this exercise. So here practice set 35 is over. Thank you.